everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Spotify not opening or stuck on loading screen. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then make sure that the Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Spotify and make sure that it is updated. Then on Android, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to Spotify and then storage and hit the clear cache option. If the issue proceeds, uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app. Also check your internet connection as loading issues can be network related. Then that's how you fix the Spotify not working or opening stuck error. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification for more helpful guides.